it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're with Brysco and RajahWild and Jiggy. We have music video called MUK. So this one has been flooded in the comment section to react to this by multiple people, not just one person. So I jump in on here with the G them I say. Brysco, RajahWild, Jiggy, MUK. MUK. M-U-K, MUK. What does that stand for? So let's go. We gotta try and find out. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's
This is like an old school. This is like an old school thing. Them from me see that girl here with the afro and thing. We know it's an old school thing. The dressing, the magazine, them like an old school thing. Like 90s.
This is the original Richie Poo.
The radio there from the 90s.
Hi, this is the original Richie Poo.
Yeah, man, the radio there from the 90s with the cassette tonight. Probably all the 80s too.
Yours truly. Live on 119.
Fest them. Alright, let's go. Let's hear them. Hear the tune, I say.
By Jiggy, Brysco, and RajahWild. MUK. Get used to this one.
for the ladies. We're gonna take you to the top.
Okay. Let's start again.
Oh yeah. For the ladies.
Oh, him just like, hold on, him just like, who Jiggy just like, hold on there, guys, hold on, sorry, hold on, who Jiggy just like, sorry guys, Fat Albert, Jiggy just like Fat Albert, see ya. Jiggy just like Fat Albert, dog. Alright. From me see that, me knows him just like somebody.
Oh yeah.
Jiggy!
For the ladies. We're gonna take you to the top.
Yo, this is some.
Yeah. Then slide to the right. And then you
Genius.
book it to the left.
Genius.
Gonna slide to the right.
Yeah.
And then you book it to the left.
Yeah.
Ladies. Pull up! Yo!
What's up, the man?
Let's go!
This different. Jiggy, big up yourself, dog. If I had the production behind that one, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, Jiggy. Genius. Rajah, Brysco, big up.
This is the original Richie Poo. Yours truly.
90s shit, bro.
99 FM. Introducing to you the song for all the people by Jiggy, Brysco, and RajahWild. MUK. Get used to this one.
For the ladies. We're gonna take you to the top. Yeah.
Moms them out. Yeah, this sick.
Oh yeah.
Directed by Logic. Big up yourself.
For the ladies. We're gonna take you to the top. Yeah.
Can I just say, uno affirate Jiggy, uno affirate the J, bro. Uno affirate the man I put in work, dog.
Gonna take you to the top.
Him I put in hard work, bro. That's why we affirate him.
Yeah.
What up, Brysco?
Then slide to the right.
Oh, class.
And then you book it to the left.
Yeah. Where you safe,
Gonna
though?
slide to the right.
And then what?
And then you book it to the left.
Yeah. Brysco with the perm.
Come on to the dance floor, girl, and let me introduce you to my dance world. I do a pop dance like a sideboard nerd.
This are 80s. This are never 90s. This are 80s style, bro.
Come on to the dance floor, girl, and let me introduce you to my dance world. I do a pop dance like a sideboard nerd. Say I nick this, I like some, I buy some pearls. Cut all feelings, vibes come first. Chill out, babes, try some perks.
My thing is, my only negative for this song. Them G, yeah? Na black.
Cut all feelings, vibes come first. Chill.
Them youth, yeah? Them should have do some 80s. Them should have do them homework and do some 80s dance. These dances are too modern for this video. That is my only critique for this so far.
Come on to the dance floor, girl.
It's like how them have the skate them and them thing there. Yeah, them youth, yeah, should have on some skate. I do them thing, bro.
And let me introduce you to my dance world. I do a pop dance like a sideboard nerd. Say I nick this, I like some, I buy some pearls. Cut all feelings, vibes come first. Chill out, babes, try some perks. She a worry, say my mic dumper. Get help, babes, find comfort.
Oh, class. She a worry, say me might dumper. Get help, babes, find comfort. Big. Even though we just give the dance to them a negative, them still bad. Them still bad. Let me just say that. Them still bad.
Pearls. Cut all feelings, vibes come first. Chill out, babes, try some perks. She a worry, say my mic dumper. Get help, babes, find comfort.
Bad. It's like how Brysco have the perm and Jiggy have the Fat Albert outfit, and the girl them look like at the 80s and never do them thing. The youth them we are skank for in some bell foot pants and some afro same way too. You know? Yeah, and some shirt where half button and you know them style from them time the man. That would have been sick.
Tell me a pass, this on a nightly fix. I wave, baby, just ride with it.
Don't tell me a pass, this on a nightly fix. Don't tell me a pass, this on a nightly fix. What I go on for nightly fix? So basically don't tell him where you are forward from and them things. This on a nightly fix. The nightly fix ain't really to do that still.
Now tell me a pass, this on a nightly fix. I wave, baby, just ride with it. She like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 ice.
When him said nightly, sorry I keep pausing, but I have to clarify myself. When him said nightly fix, not tell me a pass, this on a nightly fix. Is he talking about nightly fix, or the fix? Or is he referring to him no want ear or pass? Should they have for one thing, so let's get down to business. Him no want to hold up a long talking. That you mean? Or is he's talking about the fix, like Nara them show?
Now tell me a pass, this on a nightly fix. I wave, baby, just ride with it. She like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, baby girl, like modest, like we live. She want lime with the sinners. Tell me your first name, baby, I'm figured. We got figures, she got digger.
See them there in the Afro man. See the G them there in the Afro man. Them forward out. Big up on yourself. We
got figures.
Them forward out, man. Them forward out.
Cause I'm up bang force up in the dimmer. When a bad song play, clap three for the spinners. Frank just pull up with two bra tickers. Rock on to my baby, my me and then I set a stuff your head in the pillar and bust out the slippers. No money enough up on my nose, see that. So know your placement, look at that. See a Zania, this will make you relax. Go to your body, girl, all a couple million. All a couple million.
Bumbleclot, alright. So we see Big Dan down there, so Big Dan. Yo, I like what the artists them a link, brother. I like what the new generation of youth them a link, bro. I like it. That's it.
Zania, this will make you relax. Go to your body, girl, all a couple million. Come on to the dance dance floor, girl. And let me introduce you to my dance whole world. I do a pop dance like a sideboard nerd. Say I knit this, I like some bite. My dance whole world.
Comment section, help me out.
Dance like a sideboard nerd. Say I knit.
Comment section, help me out. Do this again. What name again? What artist name again? Help me out, comment section.
This I like some buy some pearls.
Cut all feelings, vibes come first. Chill out, babes, try some perks. She a worry, say my mic dumper. Get help, babes, find comfort.
Yeah. It's tough, you know. Man, I'm gonna create something different tonight. Hear me, no logics. Yeah, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Jiggy. Big up on yourself. Brysco. RajahWild, big up on yourself. Like I said earlier on, my only critique is I think the male skanker them outfit could have been a bit with the time after the theme of the video. But yeah, apart from that, it's wicked. It's bad. Nice. I like it. I like it. The G them very creative and them approve it, them show it. You see me? Jiggy, big up yourself, dog. The production team behind I wanna big up on yourself, dog. Gonna really forward out or make it happen, brother. Big up on yourself. You see me? Brysco! Yo, you're busy from my day, dog. We see it, bro. Big up yourself. You see me? Yes. Big up on yourself, dog. Gonna do it. Yeah. This mad though. I like it. I like it. Something different, you know? Yeah, something different rather than the chopping and rare and blah blah. Something different, something different. I like it. Big up on yourself. This one I'm gonna leave on a still. If you enjoy that one, I want to leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will definitely see you in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.